This is Scott the Fix-It Guy. Our goal with our videos is to empower you to be able to do the repairs on your own and save a whole lot of money and also get that great feeling of having fixed it by yourself.
Today we have a Whirlpool dishwasher, and this one, even though it says Kenmore, it's made by Whirlpool, but this one is not cleaning very well. So we're going to go over how to clean the filter. On some dishwashers it's really easy to clean a filter. This one is a little harder. You're going to need to use a Torx 15 driver. So I'm going to pull out that lower basket. I'm going to grab this piece with a pair of pliers and turn it to my left to spin it off. That's the lower spray arm. Got my Torx 15 driver. I'm going to take out these screws. And then I'll pull out the upper tray. I have to take out the little stops at the end. And then I have to take out these two Phillips head screws holding on this water pipe that brings water to the top spinner. So spin those out. And then I've got to grab that whole pipe assembly and move it to my right so that it's going at about 45 degrees, and that's going to allow it to come off of some plastic lugs down here at the bottom. So I'll wiggle that off. So I got that out of the way. Put this little piece back in. And there's one other Torx 15 screw that was hiding underneath there. Now I can lift up on the filter. Out of the way, and when I look in there, I'm surprised to see quite a bit of dirt. The customer was saying that it smelled like rotten food in there. It looks like rotten food. And I take the Torx 15 screwdriver, take out this one screw here to the left, and there's also one here on the right. I take that one out, and then I can take off this panel, lift it up. And I can see there's even more crud in there. No wonder it wasn't cleaning very well. It's like broken glass and seeds and toothpicks. It looks terrible. But pretty common when you open up this dishwasher. It's probably been doing this for years. Pull off this cover, which covers up the chopping assembly, which basically doesn't do anything. So if you think you can just throw your dishes in all dirty and it's going to take care of it, you'll need to end up fixing it, because that doesn't happen. You have to rinse your dishes. Makes a big difference. So I'm just getting all this crud out of here, all this dirt, accumulated soap and food and seeds and broken glass, toothpicks. I would say too that this customer was not using a very strong detergent, so a lot of this stuff is just kind of fat buildup that the detergent did not break apart. I would really recommend that they would use Cascade Complete, which is a very powerful and effective detergent. It really gets your dishes very clean. But even with the really good detergent with all these obstructions, this dishwasher would not clean well, because these things are blocking the path of the water, so it won't be able to create a very good water pressure. But once you get all the stuff out of here, it'll clean really well again. I'm just using some needle nose pliers to grab the little seeds and glass, and there's a couple of little metal screws in there. It was a lot of stuff. Before I did all this too, I used a turkey baster to suck out some of the water in there, just to make it easier to get to. I'm cleaning the pieces that I'm going to put back in. And this is one of the panels. And then this big thing they call the filter. And it was pretty clean, but the bottom side had a lot of debris and just caked on food. So I'm going to scrape that off before I reassemble it. Probably just need to do this about once a year. If you rinse your dishes each time, you basically don't ever have to do this. So putting it all back together, got the filter assembly back in. I'm going to put this upper spray arm assembly back in. I'm going to come in at about 45 degrees with this thing pointed out to about 2 o'clock. And then I'll wiggle it down in. And then once I get it started, I'll swing it back to 12 o'clock. And we'll put the screws back in. Just be patient here, just gotta wiggle it around, finagle it until it lines up. There we go. Got it in position, and then I add in the 2 Phillips head screws. Put that 1 screw there at the top. All right, we're going to put this back in. I need to grab this thing with my pliers first, and I need to pull it up a little bit because I need to expose the plastic thread. So I'm going to pull it, wiggle and pull it up, and then I'll put the spray arm back into position. I'll hold that plastic thing, and I'll twist to my left with the spray arm until it locks in. There we go. Thanks so much for watching our video. We really appreciate your support. And when you get a chance, please press the subscribe button below so you can be subscribed, and also the notification bell so we can send you more videos about appliance repair. Please also give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video. If you really liked the video and it really helped you, please press this new applaud button, and you can show your support and also get a nice clapping hands for your video. Thanks again.